Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. It's Saturday morning. I got the dogs at the back. We're off hunting pinballs. So yesterday I got a text from a buddy of mine. Said there's a Kings and Queens at a thrift store, Salvation Army thrift store up in Johnson City, which is about an hour and a half away from Knoxville where I live. And I was like, he's like, is that one that ever, is that, I looked on Pinside is for like an EM is like almost $2,500. I was like, yeah, that's one everybody wants. In fact, I want one too. And so I called up the Salvation Army yesterday, their thrift store, and tried to purchase it over the phone. They wouldn't do it. They weren't having anything about it. That was about 3 o'clock. And that's what their hours were. And I was tied up. I could not get up there. And even if I could have got up there, I would have barely made it before they closed. So my plan was to call them about 5, see if it's still there. And I asked their hours. They're open 10 to 5, including on Saturday. So if they had it at 5 o'clock, I'd get up in the morning, this morning, Saturday, and be there at 10 o'clock when they open up and buy that thing. Well, I called them just before 5. Nobody answered the phone. So I'm driving up there. You know, it's actually, I'm on West Knoxville, so it's about an hour and 45 minutes for me. I'm driving up an hour and 45 minutes. I hope the thing's there. I don't know. It may not be. But we're loaded up. I say we, me and Django and Little Joe. Little Joe's napping. Django's watching everybody. And probably stop at the Waffle House on the way and be there for a 10 o'clock opening. And hopefully we don't come home empty-handed. Well, here she sits. I just bought her. I'm getting ready to load her up. Looks like the only wear on the playfield is just right here in the varnished area, so that'll be pretty easy to fix. I mean, a little bit around those holes there. You know, plastics are pretty tired. A couple of the caps are popped off back there, but all that stuff's available. Pretty sure probably plastic set. Cabinets, not great. Seen worse. Took the back door. That back door is present. Yeah, pretty grimy. I didn't try plugging it in. Said the original plug on it. Anyway, I'm gonna load this thing up and head back to Knoxville. Apparently some guy came in here yesterday, tried to buy it. His credit card was didn't work, so he didn't get it. I got the game dropped off back at the shop, and me and Django are sitting here watching the football game, so it was a pretty good morning. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you do, click like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Cheers.